Have you ever seen dancers cry, be furious, or tremble while dancing? Have you ever wondered how movement makes you tap into these uncomfortable emotions, which are even harder to talk about? Our speech is controlled by that part of brain which handles logic and language. Movement and rhythm taps us into a part which handles emotion and instinct. When you move, you tend to bypass the logic part of your brain and allow the subconscious to speak directly through your body. And so you see people laugh, cry, tap into certain uncomfortable emotions while moving. It's not drama, but it is a kind of a nervous system discharge.